Struggling to burn stubborn belly fat even when you eat healthy and work out? You're not alone, and today you'll learn a smarter, science-backed way to fix it. This video breaks down powerful fat-burning foods and beginner home workouts inspired by the book Fat-Burning Foods for Rapid Weight Loss by Jenna Hale. The secret isn't starving yourself. It's eating foods that naturally boost your metabolism and keep you full longer. Coffee is one of the top fat burners. Studies show caffeine can increase calorie burn and improve workout performance. Apples and berries are fiber powerhouses that control hunger and stabilize blood sugar. Grapefruit helps reduce appetite and activates fat-burning enzymes in the liver. Spices like mustard, ginger, and cumin increase thermogenesis, your body's internal calorie-burning furnace. Leafy greens like spinach crush cravings and provide energy without extra calories. Lean proteins like eggs and tofu protect muscle and keep your metabolism high. This book also includes a simple 30-day meal plan designed for real life, not perfection. Now, let's move to beginner home workouts. No gym required. Start with bodyweight squats to activate large muscles and burn more calories. Marching in place raises your heart rate and boosts fat loss, perfect for beginners. Push-ups on your knees build upper body strength without stress on joints. Daily stretching improves recovery and keeps your metabolism active. Combine smart food choices with short workouts, and consistency will do the rest. Ready to start your transformation? Get the book on Amazon, like and share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more health strategies.